Hi guys! We have this box today and we're gonna unbox and we'll see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. It's a big box.
Big box, huh?
Yes, big box. There. Guys.
Wow, what a package.
Nakita yung ano?
The label? No way.
No need the label.
Yeah, our information is hidden, guys.
Yeah. Okay. Now, let's open it. Wow, I'm excited. Guys. All right. 1,
What could it be?
2, 3. Wow! Guys!
Whoa, all
Wow,
Adidas.
guys! All Adidas!
Are we getting sponsored by Adidas?
Guys! We had this no box. Maybe it's not enough, so they take off the box. All right. Wow, Nite Jogger. Okay. This one, guys. I'm not gonna review it. Just unbox, okay? Just unboxing for today. We're gonna have that review later on.
That's a lot. That's what the pandemic does to you guys. Online shopping.
Another one. The same shoes. Wow.
That is really worth it.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what else. Wow! Look at this!
Let me see. Put it over here. Oh, the UltraBOOST.
UltraBOOST. Wow.
All white with the lime green or yellowish colorway.
It's lime
Yeah.
green.
Those are nice. Those are nice.
It's my size. Oh, maybe the last size because it's already the display.
This is your size. So far we got 2 pairs of the Nite Joggers and
Another
one
Nite
open.
Joggers.
Oh, another, yeah, that's 3rd pair, but different color this time.
Yeah, different color.
The other 2 pairs are the same. This is the white with 3M on the side.
Yeah, 3. No review yet. Just unboxing.
3M on the side.
Review later.
Okay, what are those?
What is in this? Oh, another one.
Wow, I mean, I'm jealous. I'm jealous of that color. I like that color.
But
They're
it's
all
not.
white.
Let me see. Size 7, guys.
Philippines love white
Yeah.
shoes.
Size 7. This one is my size.
Let me see.
But it's already displayed. So maybe this is the last one.
Last pair, yeah, last pair.
Maybe this is the last pair.
You have 2 nice.
But this one is size
Nite-
7, same shoe.
What about the Nite Jogger? The same as yours? Oh no, it's your size, huh? 4.5 or 5.
I will see. This one is
I know that one size 6.
size 6.
Yes.
This is my size. It's my size. Okay, guys.
Yeah, that's
Inniki. Oh, size. Anong size to?
check natin.
Ayun pala. Size 7.
Size 7.
Another size 7.
Cute.
Cute. I like the color.
Ano siya? Anong kulay yan?
It's creamy.
Creamy.
Yeah.
Ayan, yeah.
Light brown. Light brown and cream.
Ganda siya.
Lime green. Okay, no review, okay? No review.
Yan sa pass na yan, so far so good. Labas mo, isa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, 6.
6 shoes.
Yes, wow, guys. 6 pairs. Meron pa tayo, di pa tayo tapos.
And this one, another Inniki.
Inniki.
9.5 is your size.
My size, yay, my size. Men's pair, guys.
Guys.
Ganda yan, green, no?
Yeah. The color is good.
Kala ko white yun nung last time I check online. Yun pala green. Ganda siya.
Yeah, I like the color. Alright guys, more
More.
big sizes now. Wow, another green Inniki.
Ang linis yan eh. That's clean.
But it's different green.
Tabi mo, kunin mo yun.
It's different. See?
Oo nga, no? Mas siya, may pagka-vibrant yung green.
Uh-huh.
Ito siya, green, grayish green ang yun.
Yeah.
Pero,
Black and orange.
Orange ba yan? O red?
No, it's infrared.
Infrared orange.
Yeah. And this one is size
Yung size yan.
10.
Oh, size 10. Nice.
Oh, yung mga unang box, hindi ko ipinakita yung size. Never mind.
Yeah, we'll go over the shoes. Wow, we got 4 more.
4 more.
Wow, this is amazing.
Wow, not Jogger again.
Ang ganda naman ng kulay na yan. Gray na naman.
This is a nice color, guys.
Ano siya, may pagka dark gray, cool gray. Tapos may pagka konting red. Na
Yeah,
nakikita.
cool gray and it's green. No review, okay? It's another Nite Jogger.
Gagawa tayo ng thumbnail namin.
This one is size 10 again. Size 10 again.
Tatlo pa, hindi pa tapos.
Wow, guys. Wow, my favorite one. Look at this.
The maroon.
We already have this. This is already a second pair.
Wow, maganda.
Wow.
Second pair. Kailangan mo magkaroon ng second pair niya.
Yeah, this one is a second pair. I need the second pair. It's not fair.
Oo.
I need a second pair. Mine. I got only one pair of this. Now he got 2. I'm jealous and I will need one pair too. Just kidding.
Maganda eh.
Yeah, but I like, this is one of my favorite color, guys.
The maroon.
The burgundy or maroon. Nite Jogger. Size 9. Oh, this is not your size.
Oh. So, okay, that's fine.
I thought it's your size.
Baka meron pa ako dyan, tingnan natin.
Baka, let's see.
Yeah, that's for the family. Yeah,
Oh yeah, this is yours. It's yours. This is...
Kala ko, na-messed up na online.
Ayan, guys. This is his pair, Anthony's pair.
Meron akong 3 pairs.
Anthony's pair.
Joke.
2 pairs ka na.
Yung size niya, akin din yun. Joke ko na.
Okay, let's see what's the size. There, size 10. Now the
Wow, ganun.
he
10
got
and a half.
he got his size.
Yung size ko rin yan, 10 na.
Oo.
Pwede ako dyan.
10.5 pala.
Kasi sa akin yan, okay pa rin yan.
Yes, okay pa rin. The last one. Wow, nice color too.
3 in a row.
Wow, the blue one.
Ang ganda naman natin yan. Navy. I mean,
Navy blue.
yan, ang recommend ko talaga pag mag-hike, kunyari sa mga madumi na lugar. Tingnan mo, black oh. Yung
Hindi black,
outsole.
navy blue.
Navy blue. Hindi siya, dark siya. Ito yung dark outsole.
This is the middle sole is black.
Tsaka kung maglakad ka sa mga dust, mga putik, walang problema yan. Madaling linisin.
Wow. I don't have this color yet.
Astig na astig yung ilalim niya. Black, no? Parang masusuot mo.
Yep.
Na walang problema.
Alright, guys. That's for the unboxing now. Let's see how many.
Let's get over.
1,
Thumbnail.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pairs, guys.
Yung thumbnail, Adidas.
Yeah.
Ang dami. Sulit. Thumbnail.
Oh, we have an extra box here. Extra box. We need this.
Oops.
We need this.
Ha?
We're moving, right?
Yeah.
So we need this box. We don't need to throw it away.
Shout out
We'll keep it.
Sinelas din namin Adidas.
We'll keep it. Mine is white. Mine is white, guys.
Yeah. Fine. Pero meron ka rin isa na dito.
Meron din akong black. Ayan.
Hindi na niya nasuot.
Yung sinuot ko lang muna yung puti.
Alright guys.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.
Ang dami namin
Please
Adidas.
subscribe, like, and share.
How many pairs?
Comment down below what you can say about our pickup for the what we got today, what we received today.
Yeah. Total of 12 pairs guys. 12
13?
pairs. 13 pairs?
Yeah, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 9. Oh yeah, 12.
12 pairs.
Yeah, you're
guys.
right, 12 pairs.
It's a lot.
A dozen.
A dozen. Alright, thank you for watching guys.
Bye, guys.
Peace guys. Peace.